The 24 to 105mm lens I reckon is the most useful lens that everyone should have one in their kit. I love using this lens for event shots where I need to take wide group shots. I can do it on the 24mm end, and then if I need to take a shot of a speaker on stage, I can straight away zoom to 105 and then get a nice tight shot there. On the Sony a7R III, I can switch over to APS-C mode, get an extra 50mm, and it also help me get a tighter shot as well as compress the background further. So it's really cool. I love using this on travel because you never know what kind of situation you're gonna be in, and especially on tough locations like the beach, because I hate changing lenses on the beach. I just always have this phobia where sand's gonna get blown in sensor and ruin my camera. In terms of the f4, I don't really mind the f4. To be honest, the only time that I shoot at f2.8 is when I'm taking astrophotos and I want to have as much light coming into the sensor as possible. When I'm taking portraits, I usually stick around to f5.6, maybe f7.1, and the reason for that is because I like to have a little bit of breathing room just in case my subject moves. I know that they're still going to be in the plane of focus and still going to be tack sharp. The OSS, or the image stabilization, is really useful. I found that on the wide end, on the 24mm end, I could get steady shots at 1/15 of a second, and then just for testing purposes, I zoomed it to 105, switched to APS-C mode, and I like how the steady shot could still smooth out some of the handheld jerky motion, so it's really useful. So if I had to choose just one lens to do everything, this would be the one for me, because you could just handle a whole variety of different shoots. But that's all for this video, and we'll see you at the next one.